Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: Vscode, Git, and an account. First, install and enable the GitHub Copilot extension and complete the authentication steps. Once done, open your project folder and set the file language so Copilot knows context. Then create a new file or place the cursor inside existing code. That action prompts inline suggestions. Make sure your workspace is saved and synced. Copilot reads files in the workspace to provide relevant completions and examples. Now interact with suggestions. When ghost text appears, accept it with Tab or use Ctrl+Enter for full-line completions. Cycle alternatives with Alt+. You can ask Copilot to complete functions, write tests, or generate comments. For deeper context, open Copilot chat from the command palette and ask targeted questions, explain intent, then request refactors or edge case handling. Also, configure suggestion, settings per language, and set inline completion behavior so Copilot matches your preferred. Finish by reviewing every suggestion and running your test suite. You are responsible for correctness and security. If output looks off, iterate. Edit the suggestion, prompt Copilot with clearer instructions, or request alternative completions. Make sure to tweak settings, exclude files, change suggestion frequency, or disable whole-line completions if distracting. If Copilot stops responding, reload the window, sign out and back in, or inspect extension logs for auth or network errors. Those steps usually resolve most connectivity or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.